Those days we not, I was in Hyderabad 3 years, I didn't know he was there. In those days we didn't have the web and Facebook and all that. So we didn't miss seeing him. I'm seeing him only today after 40 years. Welcome Krishna Mas. Again worked in Bharat Gold Mines for about 17 years and is currently working in TVS Brakes India Private Limited as a Vice President at Cholingo. Happily married to Asanta, who is also present here. They have 2 sons. One son Karthik lives in the US and the younger son Vijay is in Chennai working for Infosys. Both are married and blessed with 2 sons and a daughter respectively. Welcome both of you. K project 2 into 250 megawatts in Neyveli. He successfully commissioned and synchronized the first unit, which had a project cost of about 2,500 crores. He retired as Executive Director Thermal Power Station in May 2011 and then worked as a power project consultant for 3 years. Married in December 76, his wife is Padma. They are blessed with 2 daughters, both are married. At present, he lives at his native base, which is Dindigul. Welcome, Parapandi. And all. So, special applause for him because bringing all of us here today. All the meetings, all the time. Yes. Ramya was also a day scholar, but mostly seen at hostels. He is presently working as Executive Director in WS Industries at Porwood, Chennai. His wife Raji is also present here. They have 2 sons. The elder one is married and settled in Hong Kong, and the younger one is getting married in November. On his behalf, I think he wants to invite all of us for the wedding in November. Am I right?
On my behalf, you can do that.
Yes, so all of us we can meet again at his son's wedding in November at Chennai. Yeah, okay. Ravi Chandran, called Ravi was the star basketball player of our class. He captained our college team. Actual good in plays, and Professor TRR knows him well. He worked in JP Baroda for nearly 25 years in switchgear field before coming to Bangalore in 1999 to join Eastern Railroad. He retired as the Chief Operating Officer CEO in 2014 after serving there for nearly 16 years. Still working as a consultant to them. They are not ready to let go of him. So she is not here today. He's a PhD in history and presently working in CSTEP, a research organization in Bangalore, which is founded by Dr. V.S. Arunachalam, former Secretary of Defense. Am I right? And so as Head of Communication and Policy Engagement. They have a son, Rohit, who is married to a Punjabi and settled happily at UK. Welcome, Ravi. In 82. Started his career as projects engineer at GEC and then in Taylor Instruments at Faridabad. Entered into the software industry during the early 90s, now doing professional service as a lab view consultant. Wife Dr. V. Kalaimani has just retired from service as HOD Maths on 30th June from Madurai Kamaraj University. 2 daughters and 1 son. Both daughters are married. Son is pursuing MBA in IIM Ahmedabad after completing 5 years dual degree from IIT Kharagpur. Wow, wonderful. Welcome, Malakarsu. He was working at Chennai and 70 to 80 at Bangalore with Mrs. Wilson and Company Private Limited, manufactures the MCDs. 80 to 83 with Eastern Railroad Hosur, I think before Ravi joined, I think, manufacturing relays. For a short period of 9 months with Mrs. Sipani Automobiles Bangalore, people who manufacture the Dolphin cars. In all the other companies, his major assignment was vendor development. After working for so many companies, he realized that he was unfit to work for others and took a bold decision to being on his own. He started a small micro-scale industry at Bangalore to manufacture 2-wheeler automobile products and solar panel accessories, backed up with a tool room and injection molding unit. He still runs the unit there. He has become very successful, and in our group he is nicknamed as the Bangalore Ambani. Married in 78 to Geeta, who is also here today. Geeta Gurmani worked in the railways and in 2010 took voluntary retirement from the Railway Reservation Service. Gurmanis have 2 daughters, both married. Elder one is an architect with 2 sons of age 9 and 7, and son-in-law from CIT Coimbatore working for an MNC, Skidner residing at Bangalore. Younger one BEMS with one son each too, both daughter and son-in-law presently working and staying at San Jose, California. Welcome Gurumanis.
Chandar, I think he is affectionately known as VRC in college, and he is very affectionate to everybody for the simple reason he was the only guy who was knowing Hindi in those days. Because he has come from Delhi, apart from Krishna Kumar. Krishna Kumar never used to come for any pictures. But we used to go to Kottayur for pictures, and Chandar used to be a translator for all of us.
And they had to accept whatever I had to say.
That's the point. That's about Chandar. Chandar has done electrical engineering, and he was right from the final year days, he was very clear that he has to do his MBA. So he joined Western Compton out of maybe compulsions. He worked only for 2 years or 5 years. Then subsequently he did his MBA from XLRI. He was a very determined guy. He wrote his competitive examination and then joined XLRI, of course, along with Lakshmi Narayanan, who did from TISCO his MBA. So they were classmates there also. And Chandar, before, after doing his MBA, I think he joined a CAD company in HCL in Delhi. And he was there in Delhi, then he was in Hyderabad and so many places. And subsequently he went into his family business, and now he's doing AutoCAD training in Coimbatore. He's a specialist on that. And his wife Sundari, she's also from Chennai. Chandar has 2 sons. Both sons are in US. One works for Google, am I right?
No, one was Cisco.
Cisco. Another one is for Google.
Facebook.
Yeah. I'm sorry, Facebook. This is about Chandar. Chandar's son got recently married, so we all had opportunity of meeting Chandar and Chandar's family during that time, maybe about 3 months before we met. And I think I'm meeting Chandar after a very long time. Welcome, Chandar. Thanks, Sundari. Thank
Board Engineers Association General Secretary for 10 years, Tamil Nadu Engineers Federation President for 6 years, and Indian Engineers Federation Vice Chairman for 4 years. His wife is also present here. Welcome, Rajkumar and Vinay. This is the Civil Engineering branch. Thank you for coming and only. So, thank you all of you, and give the mic to Ravi.
We're running out of time, but very important.
Excuse me, attention please.
Attention please. The most important thing about why we are meeting today is to honor our faculty. And all of us know now we are met, but I think spouses side, many people may not be knowing who is who. So let me take the privilege. I'll rather grab the mic from Chandra to take this privilege of introducing my staff members. Let me start from left. Professor M.R. Chemistry, when we were in the first year and also in second year. And also in the chemistry lab, he used to guide us. An excellent teacher and a good human being. And we used to meet him whenever everything is being rebuilt there. Thank you very much, sir, for accepting our invitation in physics. And all of us used to be very scared of him, because he used to create a scare among the first year students so that to keep them under control. And as somebody else was mentioning, I forgot who it was, Lakshmi. He used to be very prompt whenever the lunchtime afterwards we used to come to physics classes. People used to doze off, and he used to very sharply notice them and then throw chalk piece at them to wake them up.
But after first year, he'll become very friendly.
Yeah, very, very friendly. And that is why we remember him even after so many years. And he used to be a very good director for plays in the college, and also a very avid sports person. very much interested in sports like table tennis, everything. He was used to take part with all of us. And now I came to know very recently that he is a bridge player and he is representing Bridge Federation of India, and he came to recently Bangalore. First will be remembering him because the first year we used to have a machine shop. If we are late by even 1 minute, we have to go out of the class on that day. And that is how he used to terrorize everybody. But again, a very good human being, and later on became very friendly with all the students. And I think mechanical guys have more association with him because they used to have a machine shop in 3rd year, 4th year and also. Professor Jagannath, after we left engineering in 1974, I think he also wanted to do higher studies and he went to Guindy Engineering College and IIT Guindy Engineering College under Professor Veerapandian, and he did his ME from there. Later on he was teaching in BMS College of Ramaya College of Engineering in Bangalore, and he still continues to teach in the Samram Institute of Technology. Half a day, yeah. It's a thank you very much, KJ, for accepting our invitation and coming all the way from Bangalore. No, a lot of things to say about him. He is from electrical engineering department, but he didn't teach us electrical engineering as far as I remember, because in those days computers were never to be seen, and he was the person who introduced all of us to computers, Fortran language, and that's the only computer class we used to have. And he used to teach us very nicely and used to take even special classes for us whenever it is required. And I think that's all I have to say. Thank you very much for accepting drawing classes to all the mechanical engineering topics. Sorry. Machine drawing. Anything, Ramki, you used to. Anything else you want to say about Professor? Student of
Veena player.
Want to say anything? But he's a great teacher. He's a great teacher. In fact, we are proud to be your students. I'm sure that you will also be very proud to be our teachers. Thank you, sir.
And we can never forget him the way he used to teach circuit theory and control system when we were in. And in case of electrical engineering students and electronics, he used to teach control systems. And in those days, Dr. Sridhar Rao, who is a PhD from Canada, he used to take a very high funda classes. But then he used to simplify it when he comes for tutorials and he used to teach us. And anytime, whenever we go, he is always there for our help to clarify our doubts on circuit theory or on control system. He is presently, after working in engineering, engineering college, he was also a director of information computer science center at Alagappa University. After retirement, now he is online courses. Can you please tell what you are the benefit of others?
I shall take 1 minute. One unique feature about this family is I was a student of ACCET 61-66 batch. My elder daughter Sudha 97 batch electrical, and my younger daughter Anuradha 2003 electronics batch. All the three are from ACCET. That's one thing. Second point, I spent my entire professional career at Karaikudi by God's grace. 40 years. 21 years in the engineering college and 16 years in the Alagappa University as director of computer center. And after retirement, I worked as vice principal in Sudarshan Engineering College for 4 years. My wife, Mrs. Jamana, BA B.Ed, is my teacher in the sense she allowed and she allows me to do whatever I want to do. Finally, I am a student of Dr. R.K. Subramaniam. Attraction tour, and yes, Ravichandran guided me.
Don't tell me.
Things memory just like that it clicks on our memory. So we thank you for coming here and accepting our invitation. MBA from IIM Ahmedabad is a gold medalist and presently working in Bombay. Please put that here. modest, very modest, he did not say anything about that. I thought I should bring this to you.
Faculty members, I would request Kameswaran to garland Dr. R.K. Subramanian. What do you, garland? I would request Ganesan, request Paul Pandi to present mementos to Dr. Ramana. Then I would request Mrs. Ranjan to garland Mrs. Ramana. I would request Mrs. Sethuraman to drape the shawl on Mrs. Ramana.
Madam, ma'am, okay, thank you.
With your kind permission, sir. It was mid-80s. Chandra and myself were British couple walked towards us, and half a dozen some secret servicemen sort of people came near us. They pushed both of us away. Then they are talking something with him. Can you tell what? So those British people are talking to him, and they are telling something we don't know what. He has not told us till today. Then Chandra was telling they were about to confer a knighthood on him. So from that day onwards, we call him Sir K. Jagannath. Sir.
Now, I would request Ram.
Sir.
Now, I would request Rajkumar to present mementos to Dr. Chandrasekhar.
Sir, please. Sir. Thank you.
Then Mrs. Srinivasan to